With Bright Beauty here, and I've had a lot of requests to demo how to do a braid. So I'm going to show you the three basic braids: French, Dutch, and then a fishtail. So we're going to start out with French, and what you want to do is take the first section of hair, okay, so here's our section. Got little Miss Sally Sue here. Now you could pull pieces out to soften the look, but just for demo, I'm taking it all back. I'm also going to work from this side just to show you how to do it, but you can, once you know how to do a braid, you can do a braid. So we'll just start right here. Take your piece and divide it into 3 sections. Now, to do a French, the trick is over under. That's the motion that you're going to do. So you're going to take this piece, you're going to go over, wrap it to the center, this comes under, and then this one is going to come over, and this one goes under, all right? So there you have your 3 pieces. We're going to call this piece your pickup piece. So this is how you know where to collect the hair. It's the strand closest to the hair that's coming under here that, for the French, that you're just going to grab and join the other hair with. So section that off, take that slice of hair. I take my fingers to just kind of smooth that out together. And then we're doing a French, so remember it's going to go over this center piece. And this one comes under. Just that easy motion. Now we're going to pick up from over here. Here's our pickup piece closest to the hair. All right, and then we're going to take our finger here and join those together. Smooth it out. And it's, let me do that a little bit better. Okay, and this is going to go over to the center. This one comes under, and then we have this piece here closest to the hair. Over, bring this under and up. Now we're going to section, grab more hair here, and go over, and bring it under, and then here's our pickup piece. And just keep doing that motion all the way down as far as you want to have that French. And if you wanted to pancake that out a little bit, because I love those thick full braids, don't you? The ones you always see on Pinterest. So we call that pancaking. And you're just going to start from the bottom, and right here on the center, you just pull up and fan that braid out. Just gives it that nice, pretty volume. And then here you'll just want to take from the center out, pull from the center out, cute, cute. Now, obviously, if we're like really doing this, this would not be the end style. We would either have done that all the way around, we would have wrapped this around. This would be really cute actually to like take this and you could like pull this in and do a little twist around with the rest of these pieces, just like pulling them in, and do a really cute like gather that together and do a little loose updo with it. Super cute. Lots you can do with it. Okay, for a Dutch, very similar. The only difference is you're going to go under, over instead of over, under. So take our section again, and we're going to divide them into 3. Now we're going to go under, over, and this middle piece goes over, and this one goes under, over. Here's our pickup piece. It's closer to this hair and it's ready to pick up some more pieces. So we're going to slide it here. And where do we go? You got it. Under, over. Let's do another piece here. Under, over, under, over. Keep that motion going. Here, grab some more hair. And under, over. The nice thing about a Dutch is you can really pancake this out and get a super full braid. All right, I'm going to keep that motion going all the way down. Dutch this top part. This I'm leaving down, and then again, same with the French. You can leave pieces out. So for a look like this, I'd want to boho and leave some pieces out by our face. But for demo, I'm just going to show you what the braid looks like. So now we pancake, so holding it at the bottom, and remember, pull from the center and fan that out. And then moving up to continue fanning it up top. And then you get that really thick, full pancake Dutch braid that sits on top. So the difference between a Dutch and a French is that the French is woven within, the Dutch braid just sits right there on top. Oh, look how cute. Cute, cute. All right, that's a Dutch. Now for fishtail. So you can like French fishtail, bring it all together. That's another tutorial. For today, I'm just going to show you how to do a basic fishtail braid. So I'm actually going to take this hair and grab just a little bit larger section than before. And divide it in half this time instead of 3. And you're going to take a little bitty section from this side and pull it over to the other section, and then do the same. Pull a little bit and bring it over. That's literally all you do. Bring a little bit on this side, and keep your section small, that's the key. Bring that over, and then a little bit here. Bring it over and join it with the other strand. Now we're just going to pull on that and pancake it out just like the others. And there you have it, a fishtail. That's how you do the 3 basic braids: French, Dutch, and a fishtail. From there, the world is your oyster. Go swimming with this fishtail braid. You can do whatever you want. And just remember, don't get frustrated. Practice makes perfect. You'll have it down in no time. Thanks for joining. See you next time.